So this is actually a 3 mm catfish feed, but if you look closely, you will see that this feed contains even 4 mm. This is majorly how most feeds are being bagged. In a 2 mm feed, we have some 3 mm feed mixed together. In 3 mm feed, you will see 4 mm mixed together, so as to prepare the fish for the next size of feed. So this is 3 mm feed mixed with 4 mm, but it contains more of 3 mm size. That's why when you see your fish eating the next size of feed, don't be surprised. While feeding them the exact mm they are eating, they are already preparing themselves for the next size of feed. So we use this 3 mm to feed our 1 month and 2 weeks old fish in Jolex farms here. We feed our 1 month, 2 weeks old from both fingerlings. We use 3 mm to feed them before going for the next feed size, which is the 4 mm. So just come close and show them. So you can see this is actually 3 mm, but we have some 4 mm mixed. So if you check your fish feed, you will see that's how mostly all feed meal, that's how the bag moves to their feed, so as to prepare the fish for the next size of feed. But majority of feed is 3 mm, but we just have some little 4 mm mixed with them. So in case you open your feed bag and you see something like this, don't be surprised. That's how most feeds are being bagged. So that's that for today. Thank you for watching today's video. On Facebook, kindly share our video. If you're on YouTube, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you're on Instagram, kindly follow us. If you're on TikTok, kindly follow us as well. Thank you for watching today's video. Do enjoy the rest of your day.